Guys, welcome back to my Facebook page. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video I will be teaching you how to edit your pictures. Are you a content creator? Come forward. Are you an Instagram influencer? Come forward. Are you a wig influencer? Come forward. Yes, I'm talking to you. Are you a makeup artist? I'm talking to you. Are you a upcoming makeup artist? You like to edit your pictures? Or you are just a normal content creator on Facebook, on YouTube, on anywhere, on TikTok? This video is for you. You like to edit your pictures and you don't know how to edit your pictures. So guys, there are different ways you can edit your pictures. You can edit your pictures on Lightroom, Hairbrush, but the one I am using, I will be showing you guys the one I am using. The one I use is Faceapp. I use Faceapp because it's very, very easy to work with. Yes, you don't need to stress yourself. It's very easy, just as if you are playing with your phone. Do you get? So that's how Faceapp is, and Lightroom as well. Sometimes when I finish touching my pictures from Faceapp, I take my pictures to Lightroom to touch it a little bit, but not too much. Most times all my pictures I do it on Faceapp. So guys, for you to achieve this, you need to subscribe. Like, you need to buy subscription. You need to subscribe to the app, so you have all the version, like all the you have everything, like you have everything, because there are some you want to use, they will tell you to pay money. You get? So for you to avoid all these things, just try to pay money. I think it's €3 or €4 thereabout. But if you don't want to pay money, you can easily crop your, after editing, you can easily crop your picture. Do you get? You can easily crop your picture. So guys, don't go anywhere. If you are just coming across this video for the very first time, do not forget to follow my page. Yes, follow this page, share it to your friends, share it to your community. It will be helpful to someone. Yes. So guys, this is the easiest way you can edit your pictures, like quality pictures. One thing is that you learn something, you know how to edit your own pictures. You don't have to send people you don't have to send people pictures, like your pictures, for them to edit it for you. Like, you can take fine pictures, like all these ashwebi pictures and other, like parties, like all these things, you can edit them yourself. I'll be putting some pictures that I edit myself. Like, I literally do it myself. A lot of people will tell me, how do you do this? Do you have camera? I don't have camera. I use my iPhone 11 to edit my pictures. Yes, that's what I use. And so guys, if you want me to teach you how to use quality camera, like how to set your quality camera, do also let me know in the comment section. So guys, dive into this video. Okay, don't forget to give this video like and love. Okay,
first of all, you look for your Faceapp. If you don't have Faceapp, try to download Faceapp on your video. Okay, this is a Faceapp. So let's take picture. Let's take this picture. So first of all, let's leave this video like this. You click on impress. So you can choose any one of your choice, but the one I normally choose, I use Charming. You can use 2. If you don't want it to be too much, like the editing to be too much, you can use 2, but I will be using 3 for mine because I know the way I am going to do it, so it will not be too much. Okay, so I'll be using 3 and I will apply, and then I will go for, I'm not using hairstyle, I will go for size of nose, everything is here. I will choose small nose. I will choose number 2. You see, number 2, I will apply. So I will go for makeup. I will look for contour. So I will use 2 for my contour. I will apply. I will go back there again and look for blush, like blush. I already have blush, but I just want to apply a little bit. So I will click on blush. I want to click on, I use number 3 blush. I will apply. If you think that is too much, you use 2. Then again, click on the makeup. You click on eyeshadow. If you want to use eyeshadow, anything you want to use, you can use, but I don't use all these ones. I use eyebrow. Maybe my eyebrow is not setting. I use eyebrow. I use 2 on my eyebrow. I will apply. Then I'm done with the makeup, so I will go to crop. You crop your picture. If you like to crop your picture, you crop. Okay, it's not a compulsory, but I'm just showing you in case if you want to crop, you apply. Then you go to adjustment. This is adjustment. This is enhance. You click on enhance. Like, this is what the picture looks like. You want to make it to be bright, you can, at least you can leave it for like 5 or 4. That is okay. You go to, after doing it, you apply. Okay, make sure you apply before you go. Bright, you want to make it to bright. This one is very dark and all that. No, I don't want it to be dark. A little bit, like at least 5 is okay. Apply. Highlight. You can just leave it maybe 5. Sometimes I don't even do all those things. So you go to filter. If you like to use filter, so yeah, they have different type of filter. You can reduce it. Okay, they have different type of filter here. They have different type. You see, they have different type. You can choose the one you want. Okay, so me, most times I don't use filter. Okay, I don't use filter most of the times. I don't use filter, and I will apply. Then I will go to skin. Yeah, this place, skin. You press your skin, you tap on your skin. Then if you're a black person, make sure you are using tint, this tint. But if you are a little bit fair, try to use smooth. You click on smooth. But if you want to use you want to mix it like black and fair person, you click on this place. So you can use tint. Let me use these 2 together. See how this thing is going to look. It make my face a little bit darker, but I don't want to use tint. I don't want to use it for 2 persons, like 2 persons color. I don't want to use it. I want to use only smooth. Then I'll press smooth. Then if you feel that the editing is too much, you try to reduce it. Okay, you reduce it to 2, 3, 4, 5 and all that. So see the before after. I don't know if you guys can see before after. Okay, so I'll put it at 3. Before after. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, do not forget to follow this page, like this video. Okay, if you enjoy watching, let me know in the comment section. Okay, then after pressing smooth, number 3, you apply. If you like to blur the background, you can do that. Okay, you can blur the background. Okay, if it's too much, you will try to reduce it and all that. So after blurring the background, this is what it looks like. Motion and all that. Like, if you want to blur the background, you don't want it to be too much, at least the background is better like this, you apply. So there are different type here. Save the picture. Okay, you press save. The picture is saved already. It's because I subscribe. I think €5, I be €3. That's why you see there is no watermark. For example, if you do not subscribe, you will get watermark. And if you have watermark, you can easily edit. Like, you can crop it. Like, maybe you want to post it on any of your social media platform, you can crop it. Okay, so let me show you the before and after. So see the before, see the after, see the before and see the after. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, bye.